Okay, now we've completed all of our stamping and we're ready to put together our treat box. The first thing you're going to do is take your triangle that you stamped, put a little adhesive on it, place it right in the top of your treat box. You'll have about 1/4 inch of red border when you're finished. And if it doesn't go down the first time, just reposition it. There we go, until it's perfect. Put a little bit of adhesive on your tag. And I like to put that a little bit at an angle, so it's cute looking there. And then your treat box is ready to go. You can fill it with, like I said before, hard candies, chocolates. If it's your wife, she would love some jewelry in here, tickets to the opera, something fun. And again, you can make these with the kids. You can use these as table place settings. They're quick, they're easy. You could use them with any color paper. So you can change them with pink. You could use pink hearts. You could use darker pink colors. And just have a lot of fun making these really cute 3D treat boxes.